Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a poll in Outlook. In this walkthrough, we'll set up the Outlook add-in that lets you add a quick poll to an email so your recipients can vote right from their inbox. We'll be using Outlook on the web, and you'll just need to be signed into your account before we begin. Start by opening Outlook in your browser. If you land on the People view, that's perfectly fine. You don't need to change anything yet. From here, begin composing a new message. Look for the New Mail button near the top left of the screen and select it. This opens a fresh draft where you can address your message and add a subject, but for now, our focus is enabling the poll tool you'll use inside this draft. At the top of the Compose window, find the option that says Enhance Outlook with Apps. This opens the Apps and Extensions area for Outlook. Choose Get Add-ins to open the add-in store. If you don't immediately see the option, try expanding the toolbar with the More Options icon. The button can be tucked away depending on your window size. In the add-in store, use the search bar to type polls. You should see a polls add-in appear in the results. Select it to view details, then choose Add. Outlook may show a brief prompt about what the add-in can do. Review that, then confirm to continue. Adding the add-in only takes a moment, and once it's installed, it becomes available directly in your Compose experience. Return to your email draft. You'll now see a polls icon in the toolbar. Select it to open the poll pane on the right side of the window. Follow the on-screen guidance to add a sample poll. You'll be asked for a question and answer options. Keep them short and clear so respondents can decide quickly. If the interface offers choices like allowing multiple answers or setting a due date, pick the settings that best match your scenario. As you proceed, the preview will show you how the poll will look to recipients. When you finish, the add-in will place the poll into your message so it's ready to send. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use concise answer choices, add context in the email body so people know why you're polling, and keep the distribution list focused to ensure relevant responses. That's it. Your poll is ready to collect votes directly from the email. Thanks for following along, and enjoy using polls to make decisions faster in Outlook.